How to replace a tube in a flat rear tractor tire. First, you got to knock the bead off of the rim. We're going to use the tractor to do that. We got a pushing sort of bar up on the front, and we just try to not hit the rim too much. Give it a few workings. Once you got your bead busted, jack it up and get your tire tools. Get your tire tool, get up under that there bead. Make sure your bottom side of your bead is no. Now pull your tube out. So get your new tube and start it down in the bottom, but don't put your hands or anything underneath. And make sure you don't get the tube all rolled up and twisted in 10 different ways. So just work it around, getting your new tube back in. Sometimes a little lube and stuff helps all this process. You just want to make sure it flops right over the rim. Get it stuck back in there good. Double check it all. And get that guy on the bottom. Now get me a pair of pliers. Make sure you don't bite the tube. And I like to start there at the valve stem to make sure if you're putting it on from the valve stem side, make sure you're not going to pinch the tube. And then from there, I'll just start working it around. Just keep grabbing it a little bit at a time. And as long as you're grabbing more than walking off the other side, sooner or later you'll catch yourself. Or you can put you another pair of vice grips down at the bottom. Or move your vice grips. So something that's going to come up in just a second, you got to keep that bead pushed in where you won't have enough. So like you got to keep that pushed in. Well, my bad, the camera fell. But just work your way around, take little bites at a time. And then once you got it all done, make sure you don't pinch the tube. Blow it up there and drop it back on the ground. It's really not as hard as a lot of people make it look out to be. Trick is just take small bites. The vice grips, having a pair of vice grips as a spare hand really helps. Thanks for watching.